I'm gonna show you how I changed this into this. All we need for this DIY is cardboard, PVC pipe, glue and spray paint. First take a cardboard piece of dimension 22 into 13 cm. Like the same way, cut more cardboard pieces. Take one half of the total number of cardboard pieces, put a hole in the center which fits the diameter of PVC pipe. Like the same way, put hole in leftover cardboard pieces. Check whether all the cardboard pieces fits with PVC pipe. Now paste all the cardboard pieces together in such a way that one half without hole and another half with hole. Evenly spread the glue through the surface of the cardboard so it will be rigid. Now we got a cuboid shape like this. To attain the shape of the hammer, we need to evenly cut the edges and corners. For that, take paper of dimension 18 into 10 cm. Like this, cut 4 paper pieces. Paste the paper in center of each sides. Like the same way, paste paper on both top and bottom as per the dimension. Now cut each corner and edges evenly using sharp knife. Now we got the shape of the hammer. We need smooth layer. For that we are going to use chart paper. Cut the chart into pieces as per the same dimension we used for paper before. To reduce the wrinkles, we are using double layer of chart paper. Now evenly apply glue and paste the chart pieces on each side. Now measure each left out part which was not covered. Cut the chart as per the dimension measured and paste it. To make them rigid, tie a thread throughout the head of the hammer. Now we got the perfect shape of the hammer. There are some detailed design in that. For this, take chart paper of same dimensions as taken for paper. Now draw the design in chart paper pieces. Cut the chart paper pieces as per design and transfer this into cardboard. Now paste the cardboard pieces using glue. Like the same way, do this for each and every side. Make sure that the glue is evenly applied throughout the surface. As done before, measure the gaps to be filled and then paste the cardboard pieces as required. There's design in each and every edges. We can use foam sheet for the design. Cut the foam sheet into thin straps and cut into small pieces. Paste foam sheet pieces using glue. Like the same way, do it for each and every edge. Cut the cardboard in circle shape of diameter 7 cm and paste it in top side of the hammer. Paint the hammer using spray paint. Here I am using glossy metallic silver spray paint. For handle, I am using PVC pipe. You can also use iron rod or wooden stick. Cover the PVC pipe using chart paper. Now paint the PVC pipe with black paint, or you can also use black paper to cover the PVC pipe. For handle strap, I am using thin piece of leather. Cut the silver paper into small pieces and paste it in handle. Like the same way, do this throughout the PVC pipe. Using Fifi bond or contact cement, fix the PVC pipe into the hammer.